Hello and welcome to this Modena training session. During this video, we will cover the setup process for a Modena server. Here's a short overview of the topics we'll address, including the necessary applications, first-time connection and initial configuration, and where to find useful resources. Modena Server is not tied to a physical space. Instead, it resides on the network. A single network port is provided along with a USB port for local maintenance and a factory reset button. Here are the minimum specifications for personal devices that can take advantage of Modena Server's powerful BYOD capabilities. We support Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS devices. A Modena Server can host up to 7 virtual meeting rooms. Each supports 12 participants at once and allows presenters a maximum resolution of 1080p. Multicam camera feeds are capped at 720p. Before you begin configuration of the server, it's useful to download the Modena app. If your organization doesn't wish to use the app, Modena can also be operated using any web browser. Now let's take a look at how a Modena server may be deployed in a facility. Here's how a typical deployment might look for one Modena hub or server device on a corporate network. In this example, the device obtains its IP address automatically via DHCP. User devices connect wirelessly with virtual rooms via the in-house wireless network. To install a Modena server, first connect it to a network via a DHCP-enabled port. Then connect the power cable to turn on the device. Use a network tool such as IP Scanner, or consult the network administrator to discover the IP address assigned to the Modena server. Using this IP address, you can reach the Modena server via a web browser. From this page, you can access either one of the available rooms or enter the configuration page by selecting the gear icon. Modena Server also features a management system for itself and other Modena devices. This capability is accessed by clicking on the 3 dots on the home page and then on the admin option. The default password is admin. The admin environment allows you to manage the 7 virtual rooms the server hosts, in addition to other Modena devices on your network. Under Advanced Settings for Modena Server, you can perform important tasks such as setting a static IP. This is recommended to ensure the device can always be discovered at one known IP address. Multicam functionality can also be addressed here, under the Operation tab. Only one of the hosted rooms may make use of the multicam function. There are 2 methods of adding a hub to the Modena server management system. The first is to enter the server's IP address into the correct field in the hub's admin console. The second method is to click Add in the server management console and then select the device from the list of discovered hubs. Adding virtual rooms to your Modena server is done by expanding the tree under the server name and then clicking the plus icon. Once added, the new room will be visible when looking at the room list in the Modena Client app. To summarize, the Modena Server Management allows for management of the device's 7 virtual rooms, remote management of Modena Hub or Hub Plus devices, mass firmware deployment, and the status and monitoring of all Modena products. It requires a connection to a DHCP-enabled network for initial discovery. All of these and other options are documented in resources such as Cornerstone and on our online help files, which can be found at these links. And remember, you can always reach out to us directly at Biamp if you have further questions.